I am at Ville de Marco in Marco Island, Florida, on the Marco River. Big Marco Pass, adjacent to, right by the Gulf. And the dolphins are here. It's about 6 in the evening, I would say. Beautiful May afternoon. Oh, there they are. Oh, here's one that's kind of close. Let's see if he'll come up for air while we're here. Oh, there he is. Or she. Such a lovely spot. My name is Nina Burkhart. This is one of my favorite places. One of my favorite places. We've got boats coming and going. This huge dolphin. Fantastic fishing right here at the Big Marco Pass at the opening of the Gulf of Mexico, which is one reason the dolphins are always here. They're always here every day. It's a fun, fun, fun place to be. We got the boats. These guys are coming back in from the Gulf, and that boat over there is going out to the Gulf, probably sunset fishing. I'd love to answer any questions you might have about this lovely little island, Marco Island, Florida. Oh, here we go. I get you. Yeah. And adjacent Naples. Beautiful Naples. I've lived down here for 22 years and absolutely love it. If you'd like to get a home in paradise, beautiful weather year-round, talk to me. You can call me or text me. NinaTheRealtor.com has all of my information. NinaTheRealtor.com has all of my information. Call or text 239-269-9676. Ooh. The dolphins just went right past that boat.